In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom metafield to be displayed with each product on your quiz results page. First, go to the results page section in the quiz builder and open a product block. Click on the block to open the recommended product settings, then find the section called Product Components Layout. Here, you can add a new block to display a metafield for each product recommended in this block. Click to add it, and a drop-down will appear with all the metafields available in your Shopify store. These are synced automatically with the app. In my case, I've created a metafield called Custom Description, which I'll add to my product style. You can move the metafield to a different position. For example, display it right below the product title or heading. When you're done, click Save. If you don't see your custom metafield in the drop-down, go back to the app dashboard, open Settings, Catalog, and run a catalog import. After the import updates, return to the quiz builder, and your new metafield should now be available in the product components layout. And that's it. You've now added a custom metafield to your quiz results page. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.